Alright everyone, in today's video, we are going to go over the projected price action for BTC in the upcoming days. BTC's essentially been going sideways here throughout the 3-day weekend. New York markets finally opened up today, and I'm going to go over what I'm seeing on the charts here, guys. As you guys know, I'm looking on the short side of things for various reasons. We're going to go over that. Today, I'm going to make this video super quick. Guys, make sure you pop into the free Discord. Pinned in the first comment down below. I have a free Elliott wave course if you want to learn Elliott wave theory. As you guys know, this is the foundation of all of our trading over here. Take the course. I have 24/7 live charts available for free over there as well. Just join the free Discord. Let's get into it. Here's the most probable scenario for me as of right now. There are other scenarios at play, of course. We know this. I should not have to say that. Obviously, anything can happen, guys. This is my most probable scenario. I'm looking at this point with how extended we are here. Some type of a diagonal here. Some type of a diagonal. I'm looking for a retrace right here in the very near future. That is what I'm currently trying to play right now. And then once we pull back a little bit, I think everything needs a pullback. RSIs are way torched right now on the weekly, on the daily especially. We're kind of losing structure up here. Got this rounded top going on. There's a lot of momentum up here on the daily. I do want you guys to take note of that. A lot of momentum. I think if we get a pullback like I'm anticipating, it's just going to be a slow, steady pullback here for this B wave, upon which we're going to have one more rally to the upside. That's the most probable option for me right now. Okay? I'm a day trader. I'm not holding on to these trades for months on end. This is months of price action, guys. This is months of price action. Just kind of showing you what I see here on the macro. Now, looking at this as a diagonal, essentially, you need each leg to be a corrective shape. And I can definitely get corrective. Boom, corrective. Maybe this is coming up like this, but I would consider this whole thing to be wave 3 in some type of boom correction like that. And then your final correction into your final correction here for wave 5. That's how I'm looking at it. It's channeling quite nicely for me right now. It's my primary scenario. Until it's not. There are other Elliott wave counts and Elliott wave structures at play here. We can have some type of a flat correction here up top, which still would say that we're turning around here in the very near future. I think a lot of people were expecting a absolute blow off top here. They're sitting here, they're waiting for it. I'm waiting for it. It's kind of not happening. But, this is just a very small amount of price action up here consolidating. We could just absolutely rip to the upside, guys. I'm not saying we can't. It's just not what I'm playing. We're also going to look at ETH in a second, guys, so stick with me. But here is the zoomed in view for BTC. Just kind of zoomed in on this price action right up here. And what I'm seeing is an impulsive wave down from all-time high at 112K. Getting a clear impulse to the downside. Now, I was talking to premium Discord members about this possibly being a flat right here, ABC flat, and now we're going to start hitting to the upside. But my primary scenario and what I am playing is an impulse here, a corrective move here. This is our sideways consolidation that we've had throughout this 3-day weekend here, and essentially putting in a corrective shape off of an impulse. I am projecting a move to the downside, at least for an ABC. At least for an ABC. And why I am playing this particular move, there are imbalances down here on the chart. There's liquidity down here. And don't get me wrong, guys. There's liquidity up here as well. I understand that. But looking at the ETH chart, I have 1, 2, 3, 4 extended fifth. We like it. We like it. And then from there, it looks to be a flat correction because we have a correction down off the top, correction up that comes to the highs. I would be anticipating a 5-wave impulse to the downside. We got to finish 5-wave impulse here, but pulling fibs, I already haven't pulled. We haven't even hit the 786. We have not even hit the 786 fib extension. So, I mean, ETH looks like it needs further down all day. And with the structure that has just been put in, I have an ABC correction here. Looks about finished. And that is correcting this initial impulse. So this would be my 1-2. If this is a 5-wave impulse for a C leg of a flat, you're looking at way down here at the 1618. You're looking at 2K. You're looking at 2K ETH, guys. That's why I'm, if I'm only trading ETH, I'm going 90% chance that this is a C leg of a flat and we're going to start hitting to the downside in a very aggressive way. If I'm only looking at ETH, that is what I'm saying. Nothing is 100%. Guys, the market can just start ripping to the upside from here and say, screw it. It all depends on where liquidity comes in at. But structurally speaking, I got a correction down, I got a correction up. Looking to push down. Looking to push down. They can also, this can be an initial wave. We can have some type of nasty flat here. I'll just put in an ABC. And they can just go for one more quick little high right here. And then this can be your corrective wave, and then we'll still get this wave to the downside. But you'll have a correction here, push down. I just don't think any type of blow off top is coming, guys. I really do not. I really do not. Do they want to come and snag this last little bit of liquidity up here? Maybe. BTC, do they want to come and snag this last little bit of liquidity up here? Maybe. But I'm looking at shorts. I'm looking at shorts. We'll see if we get some follow through. If this move plays out on ETH and we come down to 2K, for BTC, I mean, you gotta say we'd be looking at something down in here. That's a similar move at like 90K. I just don't know if BTC has that kind of a dump in it right now. I would be projecting more so just an ABC correction down to 100K. And then maybe correct out and then come down for some more down to like 80, 85. So the structures are kind of different on ETH and BTC at the moment. But nonetheless, I'm still playing down moves. As a trader, we'll play by ear LTP along the way. And I'm fine with entering in shorts. I'm not placing longs up here. And I'm cool with it. If I miss a mega pump, a big green candle that just shoots to the upside, I can live with that. That's all right. I have some spot positions. We're cool. We're good. But as a trader, I'm playing shorts right here. Guys, if you do want to trade this stuff, BitUnix is one of the only 2 exchanges that I currently use. BitUnix is no KYC. They're the highest liquidity, no KYC exchange out right now. If you want to check them out, there is a promo down below. 10% deposit bonus, $1,400 in extra bonuses, plus VIP 2 reduced fees. Just use code ChartJunkies or click the link and you will automatically get entered into that if you want to give BitUnix a try. That ends shortly at the end of the month here, so take advantage of that right now. Also, check out Premium Discord if you want access to all of my trades, guys. It's all included in Premium Discord and much, much more. Pop into the free Discord, check it out, check everything that's in there. I will see you in tomorrow's video. Not a lot of action today. Hopefully we get a nice down move here. And we can celebrate tomorrow. But we'll see. We'll see. Cheers, everyone. Take care. Love you. Bye.